That is not a very pleasant looking thing, but it's so good for your gut health. And then some hot water. You guys, I got an umbrella. I mean, who lives in Vancouver without an umbrella? Leave it up to me to be roaming the streets with no umbrella. With the way it's pouring, I had to quickly stop at the store and get one. It's so dark and gloomy. God didn't intend for people to live here. People insisted on living here. Oh, child. Just finished at the cafe, you guys. I'm done all my work, all my paperwork, everything that I needed to do. And now I'm just going to the salon because I have a client. I don't really know what it's for. I just got a booking, so I'm like, all right, let's go figure it out. It's day 4. And I'm gonna be honest, you guys. I don't want to be here today. I don't want to work out. My body hurts. Everything hurts. I'm tired. But I have to, because I'm locked in. I'm committed now. Let's get it, baby. About to get back on this loud ass machine, you guys. Like, why is it so loud? I'm actually dying. Oh my God. Just one more minute and then I'm moving on. That was the slowest last 20 minutes of my entire life. Like, I couldn't wait for the workout to finish. The whole time I was on the treadmill, I was thinking about the day I'm gonna get off, the time I would get off. Like, I did not enjoy this at all. Today it was hard. It was really hard to get here, guys. It was hard to get here. Today I didn't want to do any of this. I did not want to work out. I did not want to. But anyways, it's done. I'm happy. That's all that matters.